Hey there, fellow history buffs and curious minds. Today, we are diving into a fascinating archaeological mystery that has left experts scratching their heads for decades. Get ready to explore a strange hillside in southern Peru, known as Monte Sierpe, and uncover the secrets hidden within its 5,000 perfectly aligned pits. Imagine a mile-long stretch of mountain, carved with an intricate pattern of holes, each one a potential piece of a larger puzzle. That's exactly what we are dealing with here. But what was the purpose of this peculiar formation? Was it an ancient marketplace, a system of accounting, or something entirely different? A recent study, led by Jacob L. Borges, a digital archaeologist, has proposed a compelling theory. According to their research, this band of holes might have served as a vibrant open-air market, facilitating trade and exchange among local groups. But that's not all. As imperial control expanded, these pits could have transformed into a sophisticated accounting site, tracking goods and labor. Now, let's break this down. Monte Sierpe is strategically located in the Pisco Valley, a crossroads between the coast and the highlands of Peru. This prime location would have attracted people from diverse backgrounds, creating an ideal setting for trade. And the evidence? Well, it's fascinating. Researchers analyzed microscopic plant remains, uncovering traces of maize, reeds, and other plants associated with packaging and transport. This suggests that these pits were used for storing and exchanging goods, not just random plant collections. But what about the layout? The pits are organized into blocks, separated by walkways, with varying sizes and internal counts. This structure hints at a system where people could easily move between sections, deposit items, and compare quantities. It's almost like a giant, ancient spreadsheet. And here's where it gets really interesting. The researchers discovered numerical patterns in the layout, reminiscent of khipus, knotted cord systems used for counting and record keeping. A khipu found in the same valley shows similar grouping patterns, further supporting the idea of a sophisticated accounting system. However, we must approach this theory with caution. While the evidence is compelling, there are still unanswered questions. Why did this unique form appear here, and not elsewhere in the Andes? How did these sections relate to nearby communities? These are the mysteries that archaeologists are eager to unravel. In my opinion, this study opens up a whole new perspective on ancient accounting and resource management. It challenges us to think beyond traditional ideas and consider the innovative ways our ancestors might have organized their societies. So, the next time you come across a peculiar pattern or structure, remember Monte Sierpe. It's a reminder that history is full of surprises, and sometimes, the answers we seek are hidden in plain sight.